Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unlink your Insta account from Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and make sure that you are logged in and using the latest version. So let's get started. Open up the Facebook app, tap on the setting gear, tap on see more in account center, and here tap on accounts. And here you can see you are linked with your Insta account. To remove that account, just simply tap on remove, and here you can see different options and tap on the remove account, tap on continue, and just tap on remove your account again. Okay, so tap on OK. They are saying that if you change your mind, you can re-add this account anytime. So just tap on OK, and you can see this account is removed from your account centers. So this is how you can easily remove or unlink your Insta account from Facebook. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.